Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to turn on the eye protection mode on your document on your WPS Office Writer. So this is used to protect your eyes from the light that making a overlighting that like that, and you can use this eye protection mode to protect your eyes from your computer for long time working. Friends, if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the eye protection mode on your WPS Office Writer? It's simple actually. So there is two ways to activate that. Just go to the view option here and you can see there is a symbol called eye protection mode. Just click this and here just change to eye protection mode. Everything has been changed. So this is one of the methods, so you can easily use the WPS Office with your eye protection mode, which protect your eyes from this. So if you are working for a longer time, so you can easily type the document with the eye protection mode on WPS Office Writer. You can also, the second way to turn on is simple. So this dark mode and this lighter mode. You can also change the darker mode brightness level by using this slider, and this is an extra thing. You can also enable the dark mode. The next thing you just to make you here on here you can see a eye symbol on down. You can see eye protection mode here. So just you can change from here itself. So these are the two methods you can easily change you can turn it on the eye protection mode for your WPS Office Writer on PC. So I think this video helped a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video for more WPS Office Writer videos. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.